Hello viewers, welcome to NTA CSSC exam preparation, Social Studies Bid Bank Multiple Choice Questions, SAT 12th video. Class 10, Chapter 4, Climate of India, Part 1. Question number 1. The state of atmospheric conditions of elements like dash over an area at a particular time refers to weather. Correct answer, all the above. Sunshine and temperature, atmospheric pressure and winds, humidity, clouds and precipitation. Question number 2. Climate refers to weather conditions over a large area and follows a similar general pattern over dash or more years. Correct answer, 30 years. Question number 3. The pattern of the elements of weather and climate for a place can be shown using pictures called. Correct answer, climatographs are also known as climographs. Question number 4. Climographs show the average monthly values of dash for a given place. Correct answer, all the above. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall. Question number 5. The following is not a factor that influences climate and weather, not a climate control. Correct answer, longitude. Question number 6. The average temperatures for the year dash as you go further away from the equator. Correct answer, drops. Question number 7. The regions close to the equator are called. Correct answer, tropical. Question number 8. The intensity of temperature at a place depends on dash. Correct answer, latitude. Question number 9. The heat from the sun rays received at a location is known as. Correct answer, insolation. Question number 10. As we move away from the equator towards the poles, the average annual temperature. Correct answer, decreases. Question number 11. In India, the southern part has higher average temperature than northern part because of. Correct answer, it is nearer to the equator. Question number 12. India is divided into almost 2 equal parts by the dash. Correct answer, Tropic of Cancer. Question number 13. In India, the part that is on the south of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the dash. Correct answer, tropical zone. Question number 14. In India, the part that is on the north of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the dash. Correct answer, temperate zone. Question number 15. Which of the following is correct? Correct answer, all the above. Darker areas such as heavily vegetated regions tend to be good observers. Lighter areas such as snow and ice covered regions tend to be good reflectors. The ocean absorbs and loses heat slowly than the land. Question number 16. In coastal areas, the difference between the temperature of the day and night and that of the summer and winter is not much. It is known as. Correct answer, equable climate. Question number 17. An example for the place with an equable climate is. Correct answer, Mumbai. Question number 18. An example for the place without equable climate is. Correct answer, Jaipur. Question number 19. Why does Darjeeling have a pleasant weather as compared to Kolkata during summer season? Correct answer, Darjeeling is on higher altitude. Question number 20. Why is Simla cooler than Delhi during summer? Correct answer, Shimla is on higher altitude. Thanks for watching this video.